In this Digital Tutors bonus lesson, we'll look at how you can check your proportions of your human model. Okay, so let's say we have our model here, and we built it to reference. So we aren't worried too much about the proportions of this model because we built the head where the head is, we built the feet where the feet are, and so on and so forth. But it's good to know kind of what an average proportion is, right? So an average human being is proportioned in relationship to their head. Okay, so you can say that an average is about between 7 and 8, 7.5 heads high. Okay, that is for however big their head is, they're going to be 7.5 to 8 of those high. Okay, so you can check our model by bringing in the head. So I've just brought in the model's head, and let's go ahead and real quickly just check it. All right, so I've just got my head. I'm going to say the first head obviously is where the head is. The second head comes down to the sternum, down to the breast there. 3 heads down is about the belly button. Okay. 4 heads down is going to be right there at the hip. 5 heads down is going to come kind of above the knee. Got 6 heads. It's kind of below the knee. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 heads. It's going to be right down there. And then we're looking at 7.5 to 7 3/4 heads. So our model is proportioned like a normal human, which is good to know. I'm sure she's very happy about that. And this is just a great way to just something to know about when you're modeling humans and when you're drawing humans, what the kind of proportions should be, so that you don't get your head too big, you don't get your head too small, which for us is not as much of a concern because we're using reference. But a lot of the times, newer artists, who are doing figure drawing and also modeling, one of the things is to make the head a little bit too big for the body. So just keep in mind that these are normal proportions, and you can check those at any time. You don't have to use the actual head. You could just create a sphere that's the same size, of course, and check that if you didn't have any reference. So just a little tip to use during your figure modeling.